welcome back. Let's focus now to Maharashtra and ahead of elections in 6 constituencies of Mumbai and 7 other seats in Maharashtra. Prime Minister Modi will be holding a mega rally in Shivaji Park. In attendance will be Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, MNS Chief Raj Thackeray and Union Minister of State Ramdas Athawale. Meanwhile, the India Bloc and Mahavikas Aghadi will be holding a mega rally at BKC, where Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will be present, and Sharad Pawar as well, and Uddhav Thackeray and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be attending this rally. Let's go across to Paras now, who joins us from the location of the NDA rally first. And Paras, so two rival mega rallies going to take place as the focus really is on Maharashtra and Mumbai with the elections up next.
Yeah, of course, Maharashtra is the most important state right now for NDA and the India Alliance. Both are eyeing on Maharashtra victory. There are 13 seats which are going to voting on 28th of May. And before that, there are mega rally which has been organized by NDA, and on the other hand, India Alliance also. Mahavikas Aghadi, on the other hand, is organized a rally at BKC, and over here where we are, it's the iconic ground Shivaji Park, where Bala Saheb used to do his mega rallies and mega sabhas. Over here we can see that preparations are underway at Shivaji Park. You can see the thousands of chairs which has been put into place. Big banners has been also placed here. You can see PM Narendra Modi's cutout in front. You can see Bala Saheb Thackeray big cutout. So preparation are underway. Mahayuti has been trying to impress voters and regularly doing rallies and the Chunav Prachar from last few days. And now it's time for voting on 28th May. Mumbai people will be also voting on the 6th seat, the 6th major seat, and before that the PM mega rally is going to happen today after 6:30. You can see the whole place have been perfectly organized and people have started coming in for the rally. The few people you can see in the front, and after some time many other peoples will also come inside this very ground. The main and unique point about this Sabha will be the Raj Thackeray factor, because we had seen in the past Raj Thackeray has targeted Narendra Modi and BJP government, but now after the coming with Mahayuti, he is continuously targeting Mahavikas Aghadi and Uddhav Thackeray. He is a part of Mahayuti. Raj Thackeray is part of a Mahayuti, and it will be very interesting to see what Raj Thackeray says today, because in BKC, Uddhav Thackeray will be speaking with him. Arvind Kejriwal, the CM of Delhi, will also be there, and over here, Maharashtra CM will be there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be there. Devendra Fadnavis, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, will be there. So Mahayuti versus the Mahavikas Aghadi will be seen today. Two mega big two rallies in Mumbai. Everyone wants to impress the voters. Everyone wants Maharashtra and Mumbai seats. So very interesting to see who will impress the people with their rallies today.
That's right. And what's also been, a talking point is, the number of times the Prime Minister has come to Maharashtra. He's, this is his second visit in just a few days, in 2 days, in fact. And, the big emphasis given that after Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra has the most number of parliamentary seats.
Right. So this time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party is focusing on Maharashtra very much, because after the changes what has happened in Maharashtra from last few years, we had seen the political party merge into another political parties, plus the two big parties in Maharashtra, NCP and Shiv Sena has just come second. Shiv Sena has been just into power. So there are many big changes which has happened in Maharashtra, and it is very critical to adjust with the situation for peoples. So that's why more focus this time in Lok Sabha elections is Maharashtra. 2 days ago, PM Narendra Modi was in Mumbai and he has done a road show. After 2014, this was the first time when PM Narendra Modi was in Mumbai and was doing his road show over here. So Maharashtra has eye-catching seats over here. There will be 13 seats where people will be voting on 28th May. The 6 seats in Mumbai also. So Mumbai and Maharashtra is a very, very important seats for BJP and NDA. So they are focusing more on it, and it's very important this time.
All right. Thanks so much, Paras, for joining us with